What I'm going to show you today is how to rehang your door, replace the hinges on your old door, rehang it up, and also replace the handle and the latch. What you're going to need for this job, I've got my Hyatt Hardware complete door set, which comes with the handles, the hinges and the mechanism for the door latches. I'm going to need a chisel in case I need to resize my hinges, but I think I've got the similar size, and I've got a drill in order to get the screws in and out, and the same with the handles. First thing you're going to want to do is replace the hinges. On this door I'm changing to a different size hinge, so I'm going to remove the entire door so that I can refit the hinges so that they fit. If you're doing a like for like hinge swap, then you shouldn't need to replace the door, you just do them one at a time. And that way it just saves you from taking the whole thing off. As you can see, I've got my door off now, so I've got my new hinges, and I am going to get a size with a pencil and make sure that they fit. I'm now going to need to do the same on the door and make sure that the hinges fit on there too. So now you want to get your hinges attached to your door first before you put them onto the frame. Time to get my door back on the frame. I'm going to put one screw in the top hinge and one screw in the bottom hinge, and then just check that the door swings freely before I put the rest of the screws in. So now the door swings nicely, I am now going to replace the handles, and I'm going to replace the mechanism inside. Remove your old handles. As you can see, the door's not looking in great condition, and they've had many attempts at putting new handles on or replacing the old one. So I'm going to fix this up. I'm going to fill it with a bit of wood filler, sand it down, and then it should be good to go. I've just got to make sure that the new mechanism fits. There you go, you can see that it doesn't quite fit in the old hole. So I've got a drill bit here, and I've matched up with the size of my unit. So I'm going to repair my door now. As you can see, this is an old door, so it's got a couple of splits in it, so I'm going to fill those. I'm going to fill up the holes that have been screwed in previously. If you were going to paint your door, this is the moment you want to do it. Then get to attaching your mechanism into the door. Here we go, so I've put my centre bolt through, and then I'm going to line up my handles. And again, I'm going to use it as a guide to mark out my holes, and then I'm going to attach my handle onto the door. Where I already have a latch on my frame, I'm just going to remove the old one and put the new one on. If you were to need to put a new one into your frame, you would need to mark it out with a pencil and then chisel it out. There you have it, complete new hinges, handle and mechanism. Don't forget to get your complete door set from Hyatt Hardware.